guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another wig install tutorial review, all of that together. I bought this wig on my own. It is not a sponsored video. I saw it, I liked it, I bought it. Picked this wig. It's purple. It is from the Sister Wig Layer Beam Colors. HD lace front, 5-inch hand-tied part. It can take heat up to 400 degrees. And the style is LF-PALI. Take it out of here. Okay. So it's like a really body wave, ombre, you know, layered type of wig. I don't know how I'm gonna style her. You know, I don't usually know how I'm gonna style the wig until I put it on my head and figure it out. So I guess, you know, I'm gonna stop talking and get right into it. First things first, you guys know I always tint my lace and I use the Ebin tinted lace wig spray. If you're new to me, this is how it looks. And I get the color medium dark brown. They have a bunch of different colors for all different skin tones. So you get the one that fits for you. So I'm just gonna spray this and I'm gonna get right into installing it. So let's get into it. Best that I can do. What I don't really like about these wigs sometimes, like this part, they put too much layering to the point where like it's literally covering your face. So I had to kind of like go in and make some of my own layers. As you can see, I made some of my own layers because they were super duper long. Let me actually just go in and just cut a little bit more. Yeah, so I went in and I made a little bit more layers so that when I do this, right, when I pull it back and then I kind of like push it a little bit, the hair is not all in my face. From the back, you guys. Let me put on my shades. Let's see how my shades look with this. It looks really good. I look like I'm ready to go to South Beach, Miami and walk around and look fabulous. But yeah, hair, I did the best that I could. Like I said, I like the color. It's just the falling hairs in the front is the ones that bother me the most. But with a little spray and a little cutting, it can stay like that. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.